All right, everyone. So I just wanted to have a quick little tune in moment with you to invite you to listen to what your intuition is telling you today. So, the easiest way that you can connect to your intuition is to first bring your awareness into your heart, where you can connect to the presence of love within you and start to feel the entire world around you through this place of your heart, to feel the trees, the sky, each other, your career, your business, everything through this vibration of love. And as you do, the energy will start to soften and show itself to you. And you can start to feel a magnetic pull towards something that you really want and actually a repulsion towards what you don't. So you're going to get this magnetic force of your yes or your no. The easiest way you can start to feel that is to bring your awareness down into your belly. So from your heart, you're going to go ahead and bring your awareness 2 inches below your belly button, right to your core. And this is the part of certainty, of the truth within you. And as you use this truth, I call it the truthometer in the course, you're able to listen to your yes or no's. Now, for today and every day, I invite you to think about something that you want, your intention. And I call this process intention marries intuition. I'm just giving you the first part of it. And as you feel your intention, and then you connect in, you marry it with your intuition, you're able to listen to the guidance that your intuition has to manifest that, right? So you can think about a time in your life where maybe you followed your intuition in the past, right? And as you do, you start to build that muscle. You start to trust yourself more because you know that it works. So for today, let's go ahead and bring to mind what it is that you would like to create and have in your life. And as you think about that intention, notice who's around you. Where are you? What are the colors? And how does it feel? And as you start to feel magnetically pulled towards that, I invite you to say intuition activate. And it's going to start to bring the awareness of that gut feeling, that inner knowing towards your next step to have and to manifest this beautiful intention. And I invite you to take that step today. So, if this has sparked your interest and you would like to learn more about how to develop your intuition to monetize your gifts, grow your income, attract your soulmate, have amazing health, all the beautiful things, you can go to lifeforceconnection.com and you can click on that Intuitive Success Club and you can apply there, learn more about our team and the amazing course. It works all around the world. So, there are students in multiple countries that have gotten this information. You just listen to the class and then you apply the process through the coaching group or private. So again, that's lifeforceconnection.com and click on the Intuitive Success Club. I got to hop on for a client call, so I'll talk to you soon. Lots of love.